Hey, what's up guys? This is Fabb and welcome back to my channel. Now for this video, I will be sharing to you how I edit on Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, just to put it out there, I'm not an expert or anything. I didn't went to school to study video editing. I'm not a professional. This is just my hobby and I really feel passionate about it. I usually learn through watching other YouTube videos and researching on the vlogs, like techniques. And now I'm gonna share to you what I've learned so that you can start your own vlog too. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any future video like this. I'm really excited to share to you guys, and also if you have questions, you could go to the comment section below and just drop your question there. Right now, I'm done with taking the videos. I'm gonna edit it. But if you want me to do like the whole vlogging process, maybe in the future. Okay, so here are the videos that I took like over the weekend and now we're gonna edit it. I just dumped everything in this folder and now I'm gonna segregate which videos are for my Mayono PM422 and the LED one and the Samsung monitor that I just bought. So yeah, I try to be a little organized with my videos, but not that organized, as you can see. So yeah, this video, so these are my videos. They have the arrows here, and then these are the few B-rolls that I usually take the arrows first. Okay, so after I segregated it, I could organize further and make different folders for my A-rolls and my B-rolls. So basically, A-rolls are videos where the unboxing side of it, and here are like the clips that I would add to it just to make it just to emphasize on something. Different angles and makes your vlog a little more creative. So now we're gonna go to the Adobe Premiere Pro. Now if you don't have Adobe Premiere Pro, I would put the link in the description box where you can download it. Just comment down in the comment section below if it worked. And okay, now so the Adobe Premiere Pro is opened. I'm gonna make the project from scratch. I do have templates, but I'm gonna teach you from scratch. So let's make a new project. And I would be editing the Mayono. Ang arte no may accent na. I'm gonna edit the Mayono AU PM422 microphone vlog. So we're gonna wait for it to load. Alright, so usually I put, this is for my preference only. I usually put this project here. So that here you could drag and drop the different projects. So let's go to the folder that we opened up, and then what I do is I click this folder, drag it, and then just copy it here. And it's loading, so all my video files are in this folder. Okay, so here are the videos that I will be using. So from this bin, I just usually drag it here. So after you have your video here, you will use some tools. So here are all the tools that you need. Okay, so for the tools, I usually use selection tool, keyboard shortcut V, the razor tool, keyboard shortcut C, and this type tool, keyboard shortcut T. Next is I'm gonna explain to you what the timeline is. So here in our timeline, this is your video, right? And it has tracks, different tracks. There are video tracks and then there are audio tracks. Okay, so notice when I drag another video, it goes to video number 2 and audio number 2, right? Because I selected that. And what it does is that it's like the layers in like Photoshop. So whenever you like put something above something, that will show, and the one behind will be hidden. This exact item, I could put the link in the description. So notice when I play it here, the first thing that will be playing is the video below, and then the next thing that will play when when this bar goes here is the video on top. I could put the link in the description box. I bought it from them because so what happened is that you can still hear it because this is louder than the second video. If you notice, the waveforms are bigger, so the tendency is that what you can see is the video that is above the layers. It's in video number 2. So I don't know, maybe people get confused on how to use the layers of the timeline. Tips and tricks. So now we're gonna cut the videos. Of course, people make mistakes, and then there are dead airs. There are times that you're still preparing for the video, like starting the camera, and you don't want those like video noise, or yeah, in your vlogs, right? So one great tip is that you follow the sound. Hey, what's up guys? This is Fabb and welcome back to my channel. You're so funny. So yeah, the actual video, I want to start the actual video here. So what I'm gonna do is I click Control C for the cut, or you can click it here. And then where's the AUPM422? Hey, what's up guys? Okay, so I started speaking here, so I need to cut it at this point. Cut, and then Control V, see, or so the selection tool. See if I click on it, the keyboard shortcuts. See it here. Anyway, so Control V, and then I select the video that I wanted to delete, and then click. You can right click and then clear, or another keyboard shortcut is the delete button on your keyboard. Now you have space here, right? You could click and drag it to the front. Again, if you want to check out this item, then keep on watching. Okay, so I want that to cut here. That's my introduction, like my 15-second introduction. And what I do is I would drag this to make room for my introduction video. Here, drag it here, and then snap it here. If it does not snap, you can go here, snap in timeline. Alright, so if I play this item, then keep on watching. See, I have a lot of like bloopers materials in my videos because, you know, to err is human. But if I'm gonna show you through the whole process, it's gonna take like the whole day. So I'm gonna finish cutting all of these and we'll go to the next step. Okay, so after I don't know how many hours I've spent already, I was able to trim the videos down to 8 minutes and 45 seconds. So yeah, from an hour worth of video down to 8 minutes. Okay, so the next thing that I would do is to put background music on it so that it will not sound very boring. And then what I would do is I would click it and drag it to the third one. Now, if you play this... Hey, what's up guys? This is Fabb and welcome back to my channel. The sound is too loud, right? And it's supposed to be just the background music. So let's go back to the audio track mixer. And then... and for this video... you can see the audio from audio 1, 2, and 3. So now we can set the audio for the whole track by sliding this down. We will be unboxing the Mayono AU PM422 condenser microphone. I think this is a decent vlog. They have the video and you have the audio and the background music. That's basically the starter pack of vlogs. Now, to amp it up a little bit, I would put my B-roll. I'm gonna drag it first to the end of this. So for the B-roll, I just need the video. So I'm gonna click right and then unlink and then just delete it. So I'm not gonna use it. And then I would cut it, and so this is where I feature the microphone. So for this B-roll clip, I would paste this into the part where I showed the Mayono for the first time. So the B-roll is used to emphasize stuff, like I want to emphasize what the microphone looks like. Guys, be a reflex that. Okay, so it will look like this. See? So this is the actual microphone. It's black and it also has weight. It's not that heavy. It's not as heavy as my Samsung CO1U. And yeah, I'm just gonna put the rest of the B-roll. Okay, we're close. Alright, so the B-rolls are in place. The last thing that I would do is to add the graphics and sound effects. So let's go to the type tool, and then you have two options here. You can click here and start typing. I will put the title of the product, the Mayono AU PM422. That's the model. Or you can click and drag it to like make a paragraph, more like the Photoshop. If you want to have margins on your text, you can use the paragraph form. But I'm not really particular because I just need the title. So yeah, that's the Mayono AU PM422. And then we're gonna go to Essential Graphics. Here you can see the properties. The usual font that I use is Franklin Gothic Demi Condensed. Then you can choose if you want it regular or bold. You can change the size of it. Let's move it again since we enlarged it. Yeah, the spacing, you can have it all caps, italicized, and yeah, just play with the properties. Now we're gonna change this to let's do pink. My favorite, the shade of pink that I use is F546 and B. Haha. You know, trick is to memorize the hex code. And then I want to add a shadow, and the shadow is gonna be white. It doesn't look nice. Does it look nice? It does not. So let's switch it up. I think that's better. And then just gonna play with the properties here. Yep, that's how I do my text. And then last but not the least, I insert sound effects for my text. Let's go to the bin again. I use this pop sound and just drag it, and then I usually enlarge it. Cut here and cut here. and then I will snap it to my graphic. So let's wait. So I'm gonna choose the proper timing where I want the text to be. The Mayono AU PM422 condenser microphone. So if you want to check out this item, then keep on watching. Okay, that's done. Last step before it's ready to be saved is I would put my end screen. Now I had a custom end screen. I saved a different video for it. Click the end screen and then drag it, snap it to the last video. Bye. I don't know, I like that sound so that every time that people would watch it until the end, they will feel energized, because you know, energy is everything. And I think we're done. And the last step is to save the project. Now go to save. I want to save the file first in case I need to edit anything after I exported it. But anyway, let's go to file and then export this media, or Control M. And then go to source range and then the entire sequence. Here the usual setting that I use is H.264 and highest bitrate. I don't know, I don't understand these things really extensively, but yeah. And to change the output name, I would change it to just something Maono unboxing, something simple. And then export. And now it's after finishing the export, it's now ready to upload to YouTube. And yeah, that's how I edit my vlogs, guys. I hope that you've learned something from this video. If you did, I want to hear your thoughts down in the comment section below. I hope you like it, and if you want more Let's Be Friends, you can follow me on my social media accounts. You can message me for questions, and yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching until this part of the video. Hope to see you on the next one. Stay fabulously brave and beautiful. Bye!